Lorex has a wide range of high-quality cameras in its 4K lineup. The LKE383AW is a dome-style camera packed with features that set it apart from the competition. The 383 is an all-metal weatherproof chassis that can be mounted indoors or outdoors and vertically or horizontally. The camera offers several surface mount cable slots. This camera is an IP or Internet Protocol based camera and uses Power over Ethernet or PoE. The camera houses an 8 megapixel sensor and delivers a full 4K UHD image up to 15 frames per second and up to 30 frames per second in 2K resolution. The LKE383 is equipped with 18 infrared LEDs, which allow it to deliver a spectacular range in night vision up to 130 feet. Adding ambient lighting allows the camera to deliver remarkable color night vision, rare amongst compact security cameras. This dome camera has a wide operating temperature range from as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera is also IP66 water rated, certified to withstand powerful forces of water. This camera not only delivers great images, but can record audio as well, featuring a weatherproof built-in microphone. In spite of its compact size, this camera has a very large field of view of 93 degrees, which works well for backyards or front yard driveways. The 383 has an articulating ball mount, which allows the user to easily adjust the angle and direction the camera is pointing. This camera delivers stunning images using HDR or high dynamic range technology, which ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from shade to full sunlight. Lorex strives to keep image quality high and video file sizes reasonable with the use of HEVC or High Efficiency Video Codec, better known as H.265. The high-quality 4K images are compressed without lowering video quality or sacrificing details. Included in the package is a 100-foot 30-meter Cat5e Ethernet cable, featuring the option of using a unique cable locking system, which can be attached after the cable has been run, allowing the cable to be run in smaller holes and cavities. Hollow wall anchors and screws are part of the kit, along with a quick start guide in several languages. A 24-hour window decal and an installation template are also part of the package. The LKE383AW is a professional-grade dome security camera offering superb performance in a small footprint that will provide years of service for all your security needs.